بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Dr. Tariq Rashid, Spirit of Happiness. Today we are going to share with you some of the what we call terrible statistics to show that some people are losing direction, and actually lots of people are losing direction. But people who feel happiness and achieve happiness, actually they found their way. Let's share some of the terrible statistics. Let's start in the high school. They found that once we finish high school, 75% of students cannot choose correctly their specialty in the university. So most people, they don't know, shall I go for accounting, engineering, medicine? They don't have the desire, they don't know how to choose, and this is a problem. And actually, if assume that in the high school you brought 98% out of 100, in most of the countries, especially in the Middle East, you will go for either medicine or engineering. Why? Why 98 means medicine or engineering? Can I go for sport and study sport? Of course you can, but there is criteria for the numbers. So 75% of students cannot choose correctly their specialty in the university. Also, 60% of them change the specialty before graduation. So I started, for example, engineering, then I finished business. And 40% of these students changed the specialty from the first year in the university. And 50% of people on this planet work in things they have never studied. So what are universities doing? And how to help you choose the university that or the specialty that will help you? This is another success story. It's always the talent. Just to remind you, with the first episodes where we discussed the concept of talent, you are talented, but talent is associated with different types of intelligences, not necessarily technical analytical. Medicine, engineering, IT, finance, they need the analytical, mathematical type of intelligence. But there is body movement intelligence, there is social intelligence, lots of 9 intelligences, and you are mastering 2 of these. Just get back to yourself and discover yourself. Let's share also another statistics after graduation. So these before entering the university. They found in the business and in the corporates and in public or private sector when we are working, you know that only 37% of employees know the real vision, mission and values of their corporates, and 63% of employees lack direction. They don't know why this company exists, what is the vision, what is the mission. They know that it is on the website. Sometimes we test people. Do you know the vision of your organization? Well, yeah, it's written in the website. The vision is here, it's not in the website. If you believe in this company, if you believe in work, for sure you will achieve. Also, 20% of the employees are not enthusiastic for doing the job. They are just there for the sake of the salary. The salary will come, but do you have the passion? And we always insist in our training courses to ask the trainees the following question. Whom of you wish the sunrise in order to go to work? This represents the passion. Most people, believe me, once the sunrise, oh my God, I have to go to work. Passion. If you believe that you can add value, for sure you will go with energy and positive energy. So only 20% of employees feel the energy and enthusiasm to go. Also, we have 20% only of the employees trust their managers, and 80% does not trust the manager, does not trust the environment they are working with. What about the results in such a case? And only 15% they fear job security, and 85% of employees don't feel job security. They are just always, will I go with this? Shall I go with this? They will keep me. No, my salary. All of these are worries because of the environment. You decide. And 50% only of people in the work believe in teamwork, and 85 believe in themselves only. This is a disaster statistics. And once they present this as a football match, let me share with you these statistics in a form of football match. In a football team, we have 11 players. What do you mean by 37 does not know the vision? Which means we have 4 players only know which goal they have to shoot on. And the other 7 players that does not know anything. They are just running in the playground. 20% they are enthusiastic, which means 2 players need to win and the others just there for running after the ball. 20% trust the coach or the leader of this game, which means only 2 trust. And if we don't trust the coach, we'll never achieve anything. And 15% feel security, which means only 2 players are sure to continue the match to the final. But the other 9 is always looking to the coach. Shall I continue or go? And this is, what do you think the result of such a game? It's total failure. Once organizations are working in this direction, they will never achieve something. Let's go back to you. You decide and start your life in a company that will be within your passion, within your choice. For sure you will achieve. You decide. Your inner voice again is the most credible voice in life that you have to believe in. More statistics. They found that 50% of people, once they start getting to the job, they lack motivation. 50% lack motivation. You know why? Because first, they did not choose their specialty. The second, they did not choose the work. It's just a chance. They have an opportunity, they go. So once you lack motivation, what about success? What about happiness? So let's move. Let's get back again to the city of happiness, to the guys who believe in themselves and know their direction in life. That you know that 15% of success is only for the technical skills. 85% of your success is your interpersonal skills, communication, problem solving, decision making, creativity. And we already, in the ID, which was the first episode or the second episode, where we shared with you how to know your skills. Get back and know your skills, decide this. And only 20% of fresh graduates trust themselves. Because of this, we have found that the success is sometimes is not guaranteed because of the motivation, because of the choice. Getting back to you, you decide. Please decide from now. Now, don't procrastinate issues. Tomorrow I will do it. Tomorrow, after tomorrow. The power of now. The power of now is the most important issue in order to help you achieve something. And actually, most people look outside. They look the advice of the environment, look the advice for the father. We need the advice, but you have to decide. It's very important you decide. In order to help you how to decide, there are 7 roles you have to play with yourself. First, there is a role of teacher. The second is trainer. The third is facilitator. 4th, coach. 5, consultant. 6, counselor. 7, leader. You are all of these if you want to succeed. But let me describe each term in 2 words. How to teach yourself. And what is a teacher? Teacher means knowledge provider. In order to go in life, in order to feel happiness, in order to live in the city of happiness, you have to upgrade yourself. Learn more. Teach yourself. Upgrade yourself. As more as you read, you will get lots of issues. اقرأ. اقرأ. We are ummat اقرأ. So teach yourself. Then trainer. Trainer is what we call skill developer. Work on skills. Discover again your skills. Technical skills, life skills, communication. Where are you skillful in? Decide the skills that you can master. So this is trainer, train yourself. Facilitator means support yourself with resources. In order to proceed, you have to have some sort of resources. And we mentioned in the management, when the episode of management, we mentioned we have 12 resources. Can you invest effectively in these 12 resources to manage your life, in the city of happiness so you can achieve facilitation. The fourth is a coach. Coach means energy explorer. When you coach yourself, you always speak positively. Once you speak positively to your mind, تفاءلوا بالخير تجدوه أنا عند ظن عبدي بي. Always be positive, coach yourself, explore the energy inside, take this energy out, then you will perform in life. But consult. Sometimes you consult others. Yes, it's good to consult others, but you have to decide. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. شاورهم في الأمر وإذا عزمت فتوكل. This is the message from God to our Prophet Muhammad عليه الصلاة والسلام. شاورهم, consult with them. But once you decide, not they, but you have to consult. So consult people in order to help you, but you have to decide. The decision is yours actually. Then the final role is a leader. You have to lead yourself. What is a leader? All these 6 roles in your life. Teach yourself, train yourself, facilitate issues by resources, coach and energize yourself, then consult people, but decide you are the leader in the city of happiness. Inner voice is very important to help you. By this, you will choose the best track that will facilitate your way in the track in the city of happiness. But also, in this city of happiness, we cannot be disconnected from people. We need people. Without people, we'll never feel happiness. So they said always there are 5 who will affect your life. 5 are the most responsible for your life and your growing up. The first, mothers. Of course, mothers and fathers, but the mother has more responsibility towards her kids. Because of this, الجنة تحت أقدام الأمهات. أمك ثم أمك ثم أمك. Mothers will help us to grow with the values. And just to remind you, in the ID, which we did for you, an ID in the city of happiness, we mentioned the values that you have to believe in. So we start our values from our mother. Through the milk of the mother, we are fed by the values in life. So mothers are the first who are responsible for the happiness of our life. The second is the teacher in the school. Because teachers, if they are actual teachers, they will help us to discover the talent inside us. In addition, they will provide us with knowledge. Teachers provide knowledge, but also they explore the energy and help us to discover who we are. By teachers, we proceed. In the modern world, the countries that have good teachers have recorded high level of happiness rate. Who's the third? The farmer. Because the food is very important. The food for the growing of any nation. ولا خير في أمة تأكل مما لا تزرع. The farmers, these are the security for any nation. By food, we secure everything. Industry starts from the farming. So what number 4? Number 4, I have to have an example. If I am an engineer, I need an example to follow in engineering. If I am a doctor, another model in medicine. So we have models, successful people. We mentioned the last episode, the successful people in life. We mentioned, for example, Einstein, Edison. You can go for the sport and see successful Pelé, for example, Harry Potter, all of these successful. Take a model, put this model in your brain, work on this model, you will achieve something. Who's number 5? Who's number 5? You and the youth and all the youth need the help of these 4. If these 4 did their job correctly, we will grow happily for sure. So in the city of happiness, relations are very important. We have to invest in the relations. So we mentioned these 4 to help you grow in the city of happiness. Now, they found in the relations, there are some sort of statistics. Let me share with you some of the statistics relating to relations. They found that the number of divorces in all over the world is increasing. The rate of divorce is getting higher in most countries in the world. Also, they found that 750,000 people all over the earth try to suicide yearly. Al-ayadu billah. Also, they found that 40% of people that left their job because of stress and bad relations. And they found that lots of people who are married feel lonely, and there are single people who don't feel lonely. There is a problem in relations. And in relations, we have, for example, family relations, love relation with my wife, the problems with the environmental relations in the organization and the corporate, family, society. All of these relations affect your life. So we have the four who are responsible: mothers, teachers, farmers, and people who are examples for us. Then relations in the city of happiness. If we choose a good relation, we will proceed. But some relations you cannot choose by yourself. So, but can you decide how to flourish all relations in your life? Because to feel happiness, relation is a method of success. So next episode, we will share with you how our successful relations will help you to move in the track of life. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.